How to delete your business page on Facebook. So first you want to open up your browser and head to facebook.com, and then make sure you're signed into your account and click on the profile drop down right here and click on see all profiles. And from here you will need to select the page or the business profile page that you want to remove. So for example, this one right here. Now on the left side you want to click on settings and scroll all the way down to see access and control, and then click on it. And from here you want to pick whether you want to deactivate or delete the page. In this case we want to delete the page permanently, so select that and click continue. And you can download or transfer your info if you want to, otherwise you can skip and click continue. And now you will need to confirm your account password, so you can enter it again right here. Now after pressing continue, you should be prompted to confirm the permanent page deletion. So you can read this and then click on delete page, and like that your page will be scheduled for deletion after 30 days if you don't interrupt or cancel or reactivate your page again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.